Yes, my name's Joanne. I work for one of the financial institutions within Northern Ireland. Just to say, I find this course really informative. It's been just really interactive and actually learning from other people and what's going on in their organisations and what's actually going out, on the internet and what's actually happening out there in the cyberspace. Something that I'm not currently involved in, just lots of real life examples to learn from. I totally have a non-technical background, so my focus is going to be on the emphasis on enhancing our playbooks and scenarios. And I definitely will be going back to the business more informed to ask the right types of questions. So thanks, Amar, for everything and for all the documentation that you provided.